Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare fat loss versus muscle gain. Understanding the differences between these two fitness goals is crucial for setting realistic expectations and achieving your desired body composition. We'll explore what each entails, their unique benefits, and help you decide which path might be best for your personal journey. Let's dive into the specifics of each approach. Losing excess body fat offers numerous health advantages. It can dramatically decrease your risk of developing conditions such as heart disease and high blood pressure. Furthermore, shedding extra weight often leads to improved energy levels and greater ease in daily activities. Many people also experience a positive impact on their mental well-being and body image. Building muscle is incredibly beneficial for your long-term health and fitness. More muscle means your body burns more calories even at rest, aiding in weight management. You'll also notice significant improvements in your strength, making everyday tasks easier and enhancing your ability to participate in sports or other physical activities. It truly transforms your body from the inside out. Deciding between fat loss and muscle gain depends on your individual starting point and objectives. If you carry a significant amount of excess body fat, focusing on fat loss first is generally recommended for health. However, if you're already at a healthy weight, building muscle can be a great next step to enhance your physique and strength. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, consistency and a balanced approach are key to any fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.